Thutha wa uthurimi wa utonga wa migunda, miako na indo ingĩ iria ibataire gutigwo moko-inĩ ma thirikari cia kaunti. Ndio thirikari cia kaunti nĩitanyĩte gukorwo ikiamũkĩra utonga ũyũ kuma kũrĩ thirikari nene. Ũndũ ũyũ ũratwarana na mendekithia magatiba megiĩ ũgai wa mahinya, ũgatanya gũthukĩra kaunti itiganĩte utonga wa mambirioni ma mbeca, kaunti 30 ikiambĩrĩria kũgunĩka.
We have actually engaged with the ministries, agencies and departments of national government and the county government, and we are 100% in terms of agreement of what needs to be transferred when. The IGRTC, which was the lead on this, it's doing the final report for purposes of gazettement and subsequent transfer of the same to the county government, including the resources.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-inĩ rwa ũgayani wa mahinya Teresia Mbaika, hakuhĩ maũndũ mothe marĩa mabatie kuma moko-inĩ ma thirikari nene nĩ marĩkĩtie gũcokerio thirikari cia matũra rĩu gũkinyanĩrio kwama gũgĩtanywo kũrĩkĩrĩra mweri-inĩ tũrĩ wa gatatũ.
On Monday last week, we launched the evaluation exercise, phase 2 of it, to 30 counties, whereby we are now valuing land and buildings. And this is together with the county government. We are working together with county government. The county team is actually under the chairmanship of the respective county secretaries. So this is a collaborative exercise. Munini wa KWAMUKIRA wa kamiti ya mwanya ya ũgani wa mahinya Kithinji Kiragu nĩeranĩire berutĩri wa kamiti ĩno harĩ kũrĩkĩrĩra kwa wĩra wayo ihinda-inĩ rĩa thikũ 60 ta ũrĩa President William Ruto athanĩte.
For our system of devolved governance to work well, they will still need to keep in good consultation, in good cooperation, in coordination. They will need to see and seize opportunities for working well together in transforming the country.
The solution is there to remain. It is only has to be improving day in, day out. And this is a forum, which I like normally saying, development cannot take place in a cultural vacuum. There must be an interactive forum where there is cross-fertilization of ideas and experiences.
Ona kuri uguo matetano meyumĩrĩtie megiĩ ndũgamano cia mahinda kwa mahinda gatagatĩ ga thirikari nene na kaunti. Mũmbunge wa Ugenya David Ochieng akiuga ũyũ nĩ ũndũ ũngĩrehe gwĩkururia harĩ mũtaratara wa ũgayania wa mahinya.
Council of Governors and the national government keep talking, avoid disputes, and as has been emphasized this morning by the Honorable Wetangula, avoid going to court on each other. Use the law as provided. Let's avoid using money we should have used to develop our counties in courts. As more resources go down, let's see more accountability also from the county level, so that Kenyans are able to get value for money both at the national level and at the county level.
Hadunia kama TV letu rakoni bataru wa Mwagi.